Here's a knitted mesh pattern. It's worked over a multiple of 2 plus 3 stitches. So in this example, I'm doing 8 repeats. That's 8 times 2 is 16, plus 3 is 19, and I've added 1 selvage stitch at each edge. So that's 21 stitches in this sample. I've casted on 21 stitches. Here's the back. And this is an 8-row repeat. Let's get started. Row 1, knit across. Row 2 in all wrong side rows, we will knit the selvage stitch and knit across all stitches. Row 3, we'll knit that selvage stitch, knit 2 together, yarn over, and then knit 2 together, yarn over to the last 2 stitches. So knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, all the way across. To the last 2 stitches, and we will knit 1 and knit the selvage stitch. Row 4 is just like row 2 and all the other wrong side rows. We'll knit all the stitches across. Row 5, knit across. Row 6, knit across. Row 7, knit the selvage stitch, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together, and we'll repeat that: yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit the selvage stitch. Row 8, knit across. And then you just repeat rows 1 through 8.